Why do we say bless you after someone sneezes? It's more than just politeness. It's steeped in superstition and history. Back in ancient times, people believed sneezing could expel evil spirits, leaving you vulnerable. So, saying bless you was a protective charm. Fast forward to the 6th century during the plague, and Pope Gregory I encouraged people to say, "God bless you" after sneezes, as it was seen as a sign of illness. Fun fact: some thought sneezing made your heart stop momentarily. Saying bless you was like wishing someone good health and keeping their heart beating. Over time, it evolved into a universal gesture of kindness. So, is it superstition, history, or just good manners?